chemistry in everyday life, chemicals in foods. The chemicals food additives are added to food for their preservation, enhancing their appeal, adding nutritive value in them, adding nutritive value in them. Main categories of food additive are food colors. Colors are added to food to replace colors lost during cooking. For make food look more attractive. For make food look more attractive, flavors. Flavors are additives that give food a particular taste or a smell. They are derived from natural ingredients or created artificially. Emulsifiers allow water and oils or fats to remain mixed together in the form of an emulsions, as in mayonnaise, ice cream, and homogeneized milk. Homogeneized milk. Artificial sweeteners other than sugar are added to keep the food energy calories low. Sweeteners other than sugar are added to keep the food energy calories low. They are useful for persons who need to control their intake of calories and for persons suffering from diabetes. Floor treatment agents. Floor treatment agents. Floor treatment agents are added to flour to improve its color or its use in the baking. Preservatives. Preservatives prevent or inhibit a spoilage of food due to fungi, bacteria, and other microorganisms. Antioxidant. Antioxidants are substances such as vitamin C, which act as the preservative of food by inhibiting the effect of oxygen on foods. Beneficial to health also because they help in the removing potentially dangerous oxidizing agents in living organisms. Nutritional supplements, minerals, vitamins, amino acids, fatty acids, and the fibers are the examples of nutritional supplements. If they are not consumed in the sufficient quantities in a person's diet, they have to supply as a food supplements. Artificial sweetening agents, natural sweeteners, that is sucrose added to the calorie intake. So many people prefer to use artificial sweeteners. Orthosulfobenzyamide. Orthosulfobenzyamide, also called saccharin. This is the first popular artificial sweetening agent. Some other commonly used artificial sweeteners are given below. Saccharin. Orthosulfobenzyamide is commonly known as the saccharin. It is about 550 times as sweet as cane sugar. It is excreted from the body through urine unchanged. It appears to be extreme inert and harmless to the body. Its use is of the great value to diabetic persons, and the people who need to control the intake of calories. Elitame 2000 times sweeter than sucrose. However, Elitame has high potency sweeteners and hence while using it, it is not possible to control the sweetness of food. It is more stable than aspartame. Aspartame now it is the most popular and widely used artificial sweetener. It is about 200 times sweeter than sugar. It is the methyl ester of dipeptide formed from the aspartic acid and the phenylalanine. Phenylalanine it is not stable when exposed to heat for prolonged periods, and so it is not a good option for the baking. Saccharose, saccharose, saccharose. It is a trichloro derivative of saccharose. It look like and tastes like sugar but does not provide calories. It is stable at cooking temperature. Food preservatives. Most commonly used food preservatives include table salt, vegetable oils, sugar, vinegar, and sodium benzoate. These preservatives prevent the rancidity of food and inhibit growth of kills the microorganism. Sodium benzoate is used in the small quantities. Small quantities of sodium benzoate are metabolic in the body, but large quantities are harmful. Salt of sorbic acid and propionic acid are also used as the preservative. Propionic acid are also used as preservatives. Chemistry in everyday life. Antioxidant. These are the chemical substances which prevent the oxidations and subsequent spoilage of the food. These act as the sacrificial material, that is they are more reactive toward oxygen than the material they are protecting. They also reduce rate of involvement of free radicals in aging process. For example, butylated hydroxyanisole, butylated hydroxyanisole BHA, butylated butylated hydroxytoluene BHT. When BHA added to butter increases its shelf life from months to years. BHT and BHA mixed with the citric acid are added to show more effect. Sulfur dioxide and sulfite are useful antioxidants for wine and beer, sugar syrup, and also for peeled or dried fruits and vegetables. Some extra points: in addition to sugar and salt, the substances such as the oils, spices, vinegar, and citric acid are also used to preserve pickles, jam, ketchups, and squashes. Xylitol C5H12O5. It is used as the sweetener in sugar-free chewing gum mints. Xylitol C5H12O5. It is used as the sweetener in sugar free chewing gum and mints